Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to crop a video in HandBrake. It's useful when you want to remove black bars, fix framing issues, or just clean up your video a bit. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward once you see where the setting is. First, open HandBrake on your computer. Then click Open Source and select the video you want to crop. Once your video loads, go to the Dimensions tab. This is where all cropping and size adjustments happen. Now look for the cropping section. You can either keep it on automatic or switch to custom if you want full control. If you choose custom, you'll see top, bottom, left, and right values. Increase or decrease these numbers to remove unwanted edges from your video. Now take a quick look at the preview window. Make sure nothing important is getting cut off and the framing looks clean. Next, pick your output format and preset like normal. MP4 with a fast 1080p preset usually works great for most videos. Finally, choose where to save your file, then click Start Encode. HandBrake will process your cropped video and export it. And that's it, you've successfully cropped a video using HandBrake. You know, just a few small tweaks can really improve how your video looks overall.